Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to block ads on TeraBox. So before we get started, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. Without all being said, let's get started with today's video. Hi guys, so here are 3 simple ways to remove ads from TeraBox without upgrading. So you can do this as well. You can install a mod APK, which is a quick and free option to remove ads from the TeraBox app, or you can just block ads by using a private DNS. So you can use a private DNS. You can Google how to set up a private DNS on your computer or laptop device or your iPhone or Android phone. This is the second method. The third method is to browse TeraBox in an ad blocking browser. So you can use TeraBox with an ad blocking browser. Alternatively, you can just download ad blocker on your Google Chrome or whatever browser you're using, and this should remove all the ads from TeraBox. So yeah guys, this is how you do it. If you found this video to be helpful, then thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.